Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. You might be wondering, why are we starting with sauces? Most home cooks already know how to cook the basics: chicken, pork, seafood, vegetables. What they're missing is how to add that finishing touch. The touch that makes familiar meals feel new again. Sauces are the easiest and simplest way to elevate what you already know how to cook. That is why we chose to start with sauces. Ranch dressing, one of the most iconic, most recognizable flavors in North America. Today we're keeping it simple, fast, and classic. But before we get into the recipe, let's start with a couple fun facts that most people don't know. Ranch was actually created in 1949 up in Alaska, created by a plumber who later became a cowboy, Steve Ensign. And here's the wild part. Ranch-flavored soda? Yes, it really exists. Yes, soda. We've all seen ranch chips, ranch taco shells, even ranch sunflower seeds, but soda still surprises me. Just a fun reminder of how far this flavor has spread. Here's a mise en place, and this is why ranch is such a staple. Equal parts sour cream, buttermilk, and mayo give you that perfect balance of tang, creaminess, and body. A splash of cider vinegar and a touch of Worcestershire bring depth. Fresh parsley and green onion brighten everything up. And as always, season a taste with salt and white pepper. The method could not be simpler. Combine everything in a bowl. Whisk until smooth. Taste it. Adjust your seasoning. That's it. This is one of those recipes where the payoff is huge and the effort is almost nothing. Ranch is incredibly versatile. Use it as a dip for wings, a topping for grilled chicken, or a classic dip for a vegetable tray. But don't stop there. It works on wraps, burgers, roasted potatoes, and even as a drizzle on pizza. Once you make it fresh, you'll never go back to the bottle version. Ranch dressing, traditional, versatile, and most of all, easy and fast. Give this one a try, and you'll see why it's a staple in so many kitchens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ideas from Wild Taste Infusion Elite.